Everybody, this is an update on the cleaning that I did on the Christian Dior Lady Dior that I did. It's been 4 weeks and I wanted to give you an update on how those color transfer stains looked that we treated in the first video on this Christian Lady Dior. Just to recap, I bought this from Fashion File and it was pre-loved and it's from 2012. I saved, if I can remember, I think it was like I saved $2,500, I think, but the first video I have on it describes how the back of this beautiful Christian Dior Lady Dior bag had color transfer stains all along these 4 squares. And that just happens because this is the side that we wear her against us, and if we wear dark jeans or dark clothing, the color just transfers on light colored leather. This is in the lambskin and it's in the medium size canage pattern, and this is the one that the First Lady of France gifted to Lady Diana, and this is why they renamed the bag the Lady Dior. Whenever I did the first video, I showed how I used the magic eraser on these corners, so I wanted to go through the updates, and they still look brand new with no damage to the leather at all. But what I did was I didn't just use the magic eraser, I also used Trinova leather conditioner and restore right away on it so it wouldn't hurt it. So what this is in the light beige. It's a beautiful color and I'm really glad I found her. This is the older version where the strap is thinner and not adjustable. And in the newer versions, it's adjustable with a larger strap, but just as beautiful. Whenever we first looked at her, I did a screenshot and you could see dark stains all along these, and you can tell that there's still no stains. So it has been 1 month, no damage to the leather at all, and feels just as soft as all the other squares. And I'll turn her on the side and on the front. This is one of my most favorite bags because not only is it pretty, but it's very useful and it's a really good everyday bag as well. But you can tell all these canage squares look just like the ones I treated, and what I did was I just put a little dab of water on the magic eraser and quickly just wiped it. It didn't take much pressure. The stains came off immediately, and I put Trinova leather conditioner and restore right on top of it, and literally the leather is so pretty. It looks like just all the other squares. In person, live, we treated the corners, if you remember. So I'll show you each corner since I cannot remember which ones we treated. It got all mixed up with me flipping the bag all around. And the last corner. I'm really glad that I got to do an update on her and that we got to experience how to clean and remove color transfer stains. This is the inside of these Lady Dior mediums. This is in a chocolate brown color. The black ones, I've had a black one in a medium lambskin, and the inside was a beautiful red. And since this is beige, it comes in a dark brown chocolate, very, very dark brown chocolate color. Well, hopefully this was interesting, and thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.